Want to do is go to Luma Dream Machine, and then you press try now at the top. And I've already done one, and basically what you do is you find your meme, and then you select a frame at which you want the video to start playing the AI at. And I chose this one here, this frame here. And then what you want to do is you just want to click this, and then you just drag the frame, and then this is the frame at which like you want it to start at. So for me, I just went and typed man comes and tells him he got the answer wrong, as in like the 9 plus 10 thing, and then you just press this button here, and then it says it's gonna add it to queue, and then you just wait for that to finish like so, and I'll come back when it's finished. It takes a little. Like this one here I did earlier, you just click on it, and then you just click download here at the bottom, and it should open another tab. Oh, never mind. And you just save it, and here's the video. That's what happened. It's not entirely accurate. And then you just want to go into like CapCut or something, and then merge the two together. So yeah.